Okay, so this video is going to show us how to solve three-step equations, or equations that have more than two steps, and we're going to use backtracking and balancing. So we're going to look at our first example here. We'll run through it relatively slow. So we've got 2x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 10.5. Alright, so on this left-hand side here, our variable was multiplied by 2. We added 5, then we divided by 2. So backtracking means we're going to do the reverse. We're going to times by 2 first, and then we're going to balance our equation by timesing by 2 on the other side as well. That's going to leave us with 2x plus 5 on that left-hand side, and we're going to have 21 on the right-hand side. Now we're at two steps, so the last thing we did was add 5 to this left-hand side, so we're going to subtract away 5. We're going to balance it by taking 5 from the right-hand side. We're left with 2x is equal to 16. Now what we've got to do is we're going to divide both sides by 2. And that's going to remove the 2x in front to give us 1x. And then all we need to do is go 16 divided by 2. So we've got 1x there is equal to 8. And there's our final answer. Okay, so let's look at another example. Alright, let's say we have 6 subtract away 2 lots of x divided by 3. And let's make it equal to 4. Alright, so we're doing the variable times by negative 2, divide by 3, adding 6. So let's backtrack by subtract away 6 first. And we balance the equations and do it to both sides. That leaves us with minus 2x over 3 is equal to negative 2. Now, the last thing I did on that left-hand side, I'm multiplying x by negative 2, then dividing by 3. So I'm going to now times by 3 to remove the divide by 3. Now I'd balance it by doing it to both sides, and I'm left with negative 2x is equal to negative 6. So far pretty good. Now on the left hand side I'm multiplying by negative 2 here, so I'm going to do the reverse. I'm going to divide by negative 2. I'm going to balance it by dividing the other side by negative 2. Two negatives make a positive, and I get x is equal to 3. And there we go.